Probably a lot of grilling happening out there, and if you are going to be outside, just make sure you're taking care of yourselves because the heat advisories continue for at least one more day. I am expecting the heat advisory to expire tonight and not be in place for this weekend because we have a front that's on the way. But for today, we still have that heat advisory for heat index up to 110. Beautiful looking start to the day, but it sure does feel warm out there. 79 degrees right now as we look from our Weatherford camera. The heat index is about 82. Today, we make it to about 100 degrees for the 4th of July holiday. That would be the 5th triple-digit heat day of 2024. And then we have this front that comes in on Friday. That's going to help drop our highs into the mid to low 90s. This is technically lower than what's considered normal for this time of the year. Normal is about 94 or 95. Temperatures stay in the low 90s through early next week, and not just slightly lower temperatures. We're also talking about rain potential as early as tonight for some, but better opportunity comes Friday into Friday night, and it sticks with us into next week as well. Here's what it looks like on the timeline. This is going to fast forward Thursday, 9 p.m. You see a few of those showers, maybe some thunderstorms as this front is approaching along the Red River. Most of us will stay dry through the night with just some cloud cover. This is tomorrow around 7 in the morning on your Friday. We're going to see that front approach our northern counties, and then once it makes it into DFW, timeline for that would be around noon tomorrow. We could see some added cloud cover, some showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. This then moves to the south, and look at that, really scattered activity just throughout the afternoon. I'm not expecting to see severe weather tomorrow. This is not going to be a washout situation, but the added cloud cover, the rain, and the wind shift does help drop our temperatures. The scattered rain does stay with us through Saturday. Now, I showed you the chances for rain do linger into next week. Whenever you factor in next week's rain, we could pick up a total of ½ inch to 1 inch of rainfall starting tomorrow. Most of us, though, will pick up less than ½ of an inch over the course of the weekend. And of course, we're still very closely watching Hurricane Beryl. Right now, still considered a Category 3, which is a major hurricane just to the south of Georgetown. So we'll continue to see this just south of the Cayman Islands, eventually making landfall in and around the Yucatan Peninsula tonight into tomorrow morning. And then Sunday night into Monday, we're watching potential landfall somewhere south of South Texas, but impacts will be felt along the Texas coastline in the heavy rain potential, 4 to 7 inches for some. So, of course, we'll be watching this for you. The 14-day forecast showing those temperatures dropping into the low 90s and staying there for a good part of next week, all thanks to the added rain chances. All right, Tashara, how are the roads?
Still